Benefits of choosing black window frames for your house. Dear friends, opting for black window frames not only updates the look of a home but also brings a host of functional benefits that enhance living spaces. These frames offer more than just aesthetic appeal. They provide practical advantages that range from increased curb appeal to improved visual harmony between the home's interior and exterior. Enhanced curb appeal. Black window frames can instantly elevate a home's exterior appearance, making it stand out with a sophisticated and bold look. The striking contrast created by black against lighter walls or even darker shades offers a dynamic visual appeal that enhances the house's overall attractiveness. This simple upgrade can significantly increase a home's curb appeal, attracting positive attention and potentially increasing property value with new windows. Distinctive character. Unlike the ubiquitous white windows, black frames offer a unique aesthetic that breaks the monotony of common window frames. Their bold, defining lines add a layer of distinctive character to a home, setting it apart from others in the neighborhood. This character is not just about the color but about expressing a style that reflects the homeowner's personal taste and design vision. Design compatibility. Black window frames excel in design compatibility. Their neutral yet bold color seamlessly works with a multitude of styles, from ultra-modern to traditional. Whether it's a modern building with glass and steel or a traditional brick house, black frames can integrate beautifully, enhancing both the exterior and interior design coherence. Enhanced view. One of the less obvious but remarkable benefits of black window frames is the optical illusion they create. By framing the outdoor scenery, these frames make the window sashes almost disappear, thus maximizing the view and bringing the outdoors inside. This feature is especially beneficial in homes with scenic landscapes, as it allows the beauty of the outdoors to be the focal point. Minimalistic design. For those who favor a minimalistic interior, black window frames provide an ideal solution. They often do not require heavy window treatments, which helps maintain a clean and uncluttered look. This minimalistic approach not only enhances the modern feel of the space but also reduces the need for additional decorations, allowing the windows themselves to feature prominently in the room's design. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.